Welcome to our course on how to write a communication strategy. This course is designed for entrepreneurs, managers, communication professionals, marketing professionals, or anyone else who wants to write a communication strategy in maximum 3 days. You will benefit from practical tips and the practical template on how to write the communication strategy. We start with a Word template and then we complete it with a PowerPoint presentation template. We will also teach you how to run through all the components of the strategy, how to write each section, and how to package it together into a professionally looking document. You can do all of this in a maximum 3 days. This course starts by looking at what do you need, what kind of information you need to get in order to start writing the communication strategy. First, we look at what it is, communication strategy, how it's different from other strategies that you might do, and also what are the stakeholder priorities and how do you define them. Then how do you define your goals and objectives for the strategy, and also how you prepare your unique value proposition. Then the course continues by looking at each component of the strategy and how do we write each section, starting with aims of the strategy, current situation, including internal and external, assumptions and risks, audiences, strategic communication objectives, key performance indicators, communication channels and tools, key communication messages, action plan, and finally a budget plan so that we can be aware how much it's going to cost us to implement this communication strategy. This course is packed with templates that you can use immediately in order to start writing your communication strategy and save you a lot of time.